Hello, my name is Eric Martinez. I'm a psychology and e-marketing major here at Ashford. This is currently my last class before graduation. It's been a long, sometimes hard, sometimes very hard road to get here, but it has taught me a lot about myself, my drive, my dedication, and my commitment to reaching long-term goals. The principles and knowledge that I have learned in psychology will be of great asset as an analyst in e-marketing for whatever company that I might be employed with. On the contrary, my e-marketing knowledge and ability could be of use to mental health organizations worldwide, along with my psychology knowledge. Whichever path I choose, I just know that I will be able to apply the same drive and ability that I've shown here at Ashford with that company, and I know that I will be a great success.